Hi dear friends, how do you do? This is your friend Virendra. Again, I start talking and sharing with you some of the great ideas of a great person who was born on this planet and who really revolutionized by giving the philosophy of success after Napoleon Hill. Earl Nightingale. He says, success is progressive realization of a worthy idea or goal. If you want to be success, start using the power of the brain to control and direct in the direction of your very purpose of life. The definiteness of purpose, which aligns with a similar like-minded people, total concentrating, guiding your imagination power with full dedication, passion, devotion, determination, prepared to give blood, toil, tears and sweat, and every dream can be realized on this planet. But this lies in the power of your brain, that is the thinking power. We read too much, but in this modern time, people have stopped thinking. We are just enjoying the fruits that the great thinkers, the inventors, and the scientists have given to us. But this is our also responsibility to reciprocate. We should also contribute, and that's why Al Nightingale suggests us to use the power of our brain. Creativity is a natural extension to our enthusiasm. To achieve happiness, we should make it certain that we are never without an important goal. We must set our goal. We must have a destination. A ship will lead nowhere unless the crew members decide where the ship is heading for. Everything is well planned, everything is well directed, and then only success is possible. The destination can be reached about. A great attitude does much more than turn on the light in our worlds. It seems so magically connected. All sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. A great attitude does much more than turn on the light in our worlds. It seems to magically connect to us all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. Everything begins with an idea. All you need is a plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge, rule our lives from within. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before we change. This is the repetition. I beg your pardon. All you have to do is know where you are going. The answer will come to you of their own accord. All you need is a plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Don't let the fear of time, it will take or to accomplish something, stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass away, and we might as well put the passing time to the best possible use. Our attitude towards life determines the attitude towards us. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Wherever there is a danger, there lurks opportunities. Wherever there is opportunities, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. They go together. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. The big thing is that you know what you want to do. People are where they are because that is exactly what they wanted to be. Where they will also go depends on their admittance. Friends, these are the thoughts which will really give you some happiness in life. Thank you for watching the video.